Dan, handicap trailer. And Yoda. Hey. Hey, Lugo and Alice. Darren's mom over there in the corner. And Billy.
Have somebody safe watching you when you do it. So
that'd be the trick, finding somebody safe.
Yeah.
That's the hard
There you go.
Little Bill. Big Bill. I got you something. I got a Christmas present that I felt that you would appreciate more than I would. Yeah, spaghetti ice fine after a year.
Ooh.
Hey, how's it going, Brian?
Yep. There's Ryan. PK Travels.
How's the brewer?
Don't eat all the spaghetti ice before I get up there.
They're already out.
Don't do that to me.
There's Eric B. Eric.
Hey,
Hey.
Captain Chris, the real captain.
Yeah. Thank you.
Roxy, you got chocolate today. Sam's blocking the road.
You look great.
There's Danny. Ron.
And I got Ron.
Darlene. Hey, Ron. Ron.
I never watch it because I'm always working. And it's like busy right now, and I just happen to be sitting in that front of it.
Ron.
And it popped up, I'm not watching. It's like when you come into the car or something. I'm so disappointed.
I was napping.
Yeah. Just give them yeah, that's
we care about the environment. They don't.
Usually with the strawberry. I don't like the strawberry.
And I know maybe I'll be so much culture over there and living in Atlanta. Like,
come say hello.
All right.
Oh, cool.
Hello, Chris.
Hey.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Howdy. How are you? I'm pretty good. How are you? Oh, nice to meet you finally. I'm good. I'm Darren. I'm B-I-L-Y. You're the one I'm talking to. Absolutely. All right. Right there. Right there. Yeah, but you know, I'm a Billy. That's my first name.
Yeah.
That's my mom.
I'm glad I live right outside of Atlanta. Well, I'm 15 minutes
She comes every year and
but I don't ever
she makes the bulletins for us for the church by the river.
Good call.
Big handy
And
there.
I get it because I do not like driving.
Absolutely.
Whenever I go to visit Atlanta, I just fly in. If I can, I fly in and I'm like, I just do the ride. Then I don't mind. But when I do the driving in Atlanta,
Oh, Chris. I was trying to get on your side here. We have Captain Chris. How you doing, Captain Chris?
Very good. How are you?
All right, so what did you order?
Chocolate spaghetti ice.
Did you have it there? Oh, it's gone. Oh, she beat me. Well, how was it? Did you like it?
It was good.
It was good. How good was it?
Yeah. It was really good.
All right. Can you say yummy?
Yummy.
He had me at the airport, and I said,
Yeah.
I looked, I said, how far is it from this airport downtown? And I said, I did it myself.
What's right here?
well, he's not anymore.
No, we'll make it.
Well, oh, sorry.
I had $34.
I'll find him eventually.
Yeah.
Captain Chris. Yeah. Not Captain Billy. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Only room for one captain. I got rid of the other captain. I can get rid of this one too.
There must be something really delicious on that ground there, Peach.
There is. She's cleaning up.
Ice
Aw,
cream.
hey,
Danny must
Peach.
have spilled some pumpkin.
Oh, Lord.
Yep, bet you that's what it is.
I have not dressed myself in 21 years. I do. It's laid out. See, whether you want it or not.
I'm just telling you how smart you were.
We're fixing to go find us a shade.
Enjoying your day, Tony.
Sorry, saying hi to everybody.
Enjoying it?
We're fixing to go get a tattoo tonight.
Oh, really?
Yes.
There you go. There you go, join the club.
Well, they're going to refill it.
Yeah. That's mine. Those are all the, back in my youth, all the musical organizations I was part of.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's there from,
It's at
I don't think I put high school. I started in Spirit of Women from the Blue Coats,
because we didn't know
the Marching Southerners, my college, Cavaliers out of Rosemont, Illinois, and then the Dunedin Pipe Band. Recently in Florida, I was with them for about 6 years. And then the YouTube took over my life, and so I didn't have time for that anymore.
Yeah.
We're fixing to go get a we're going to refill her and he's going to get tattooed.
Nice.
Look what they're doing.
Because if you listen to
Yeah, there we go. That'll be cool.
You can also
That
do
will be
this
cool.
in Helen.
That's right. Look at that. You can get a tattoo.
Right next to the ice cream
I am
place.
not getting a tattoo, Steve.
Come on.
Come on. Go get a red octopus.
No.
Yeah.
Where are you getting?
Come
Where
sign
are you
on
getting?
and get your shirts.
Where are you getting?
What?
I have more tattoos than that.
I got one right
I
here.
may have had one sitting, but I have more ink than you, woman.
Oh, look at that. Look, Steve. That's
Look at
what we get.
Helen, Georgia.
Why not?
Yeah, right there.
You say California?
Helen,
Yeah.
California.
Helen, Georgia.
Looks like a C to me.
Yeah,
I don't know what I got to you.
that's what I
Yeah.
did say.
Helen, California.
My good ones are these ones, but the one in my leg, you know, it's nice.
Come on, we're going.
All right, let's go.
All
All right,
right.
I'm going to go get this tattoo.
Danny, I'm going to go to the car, give them their shirts, and I'm going to get yours.
Ryan, we'll see y'all.
All right, we'll see
Y'all
y'all.
going later tonight?
Yeah, I think we're going to be at the thing. It's the Troll Tavern. Is that what I'm
Yeah.
So that's what
Troll Tower, yeah. Troll.
The Troll
Yeah.
Tavern place that we had last time when spaghetti ice was broken last time.
Yeah.
Why are you scared drying your dog?
I'm trying to keep her cool.
Put her in air conditioning. That's for the dog, not you.
She got too much work. Why have you never gotten it? Probably ignore her. She's probably just gonna ignore her. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm comfortable in. That's how you're
Mark Waters from Mark Railroad.
So in Florida, you guys have to have like certain number of hours of like practice to do your lessons.
Yeah, you have to have some night hours. I already have like the day hours.
I want to go.